When time is critical, you don't have a moment to waste waiting for repairs or worrying that your borescope equipment isn't working optimally. That's why when downtime isn't an option, the Visual Care Plan and Flex from Waygate Technologies are here to keep you up and running. The Visual Care Plan is a comprehensive service plan intended to not just protect your assets, but with an estimated savings of up to 40%. It'll help you save on repairs, decrease equipment downtime, and maintain peace of mind. A Flex subscription comes with everything from the Visual Care Plan plus so much more. Gain an all-access pass to the latest and greatest borescope technology, always available at a moment's notice. And any equipment concerns you might have, they're all managed for you. Peace of mind means free of worries, free of the stress of downtime, missing parts, or equipment malfunctions. Now, peace of mind comes in subscription form. And between the Visual Care Plan and Flex, you've got the flexibility to choose how you want your assets covered.